Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Saliha from Odontocare Dental Clinic. Root canal therapy, also known as endodontic therapy, is a dental treatment for removing infections from inside a tooth. It can also protect the tooth from future infections. It is carried out in the pulp of the tooth, which is the root canal. Root canal treatment. A root canal is not a treatment but part of a tooth. It is the hollow section of a tooth that contains the nerve tissue, blood vessels, and other cells, also known as pulp. A tooth consists of a crown and roots. The crown is mainly above the gum, while the roots are below it. The roots attach the tooth to the jawbone. Inside the crown and the root or the root canal is the pulp. The pulp nourishes the tooth and provides moisture to the surrounding material. The nerves in the pulp sense hot and cold temperature as pain. Root canal therapy is done in 3 steps and it takes between 1 and 3 sessions to complete. First step is cleaning the root canal. First, the dentist removes everything that is inside the root canal. With the patient under LA, the dentist makes a small access hole on the surface of the tooth and removes the diseased and dead pulp tissue with very small files, filling the root canal. Next, the dentist cleans, shapes, and decontaminates the hollow area using tiny files and irrigation solutions. Then, the tooth is filled with a rubber-like material using an adhesive cement to seal the canals completely. After root canal therapy, the tooth is dead. The patient will no longer feel any pain in that tooth because the nerve tissue has been removed and the infection has been eliminated. Third step is adding a crown or filling. However, the tooth will be now more fragile than it was before. A tooth with no pulp must receive its nourishment from the ligament that attaches the tooth to the bone. This supply is adequate, but in time the tooth will become more brittle, so a crown or filling offers protection. Until the crown or filling is complete, the patient should not chew or bite on the tooth. Once there is a crown or filling is done, the person can use the tooth as before. Treatment often takes only one appointment, but if there are curved canals, multi-canals or large infection, this could take 1 or 2 additional appointments. The pain that is felt comes from the infection and not from the treatment. The treatment does not cause pain, it helps to alleviate it. After the treatment, the dentist may prescribe an antibiotic to treat or prevent infection. If the pulp becomes injured or diseased, it cannot repair itself and the tissue dies. If there is a deep cavity, a cracked tooth, or a loose filling, bacteria can enter the pulp. The bacteria will eventually destroy the pulp. bacteria penetrate through the root openings, it can cause an infection in the bone. An infection will weaken the bone and break it down. The ligaments around the tooth will swell and the tooth will become loose. A pulp injury will make the tooth sensitive to high and low temperature. There may be pain when chewing, and some people have a continuous and throbbing pain. Without treatment, the infection will spread. Eventually, the tooth will become loose and need extracting. Some people opt for extraction, especially if it hurts a lot or if the tooth cannot be restored. However, removing a tooth may mean that the surrounding teeth start to move and become crooked. This can look unsightly and it can make it hard to have a good bite. Root canal therapy will usually save the tooth and eliminate the pain. To prevent infections, tooth decay, and gum disease, dentists recommend brushing teeth, using toothpaste that contains fluoride, attending regular dental checkups and cleanings, using a suitable toothbrush, flossing, avoiding sugary drinks and foods, and following a healthy diet. Okay friends, I hope this video is useful. Subscribe to Dr. Odontocare for more interesting videos. Thank you.